Are you constantly striving for perfection? Do you find it difficult to accept imperfections? It's time to break free from the chains of perfectionism and embrace your flaws. Here's the ultimate guide to conquering perfectionism. Tip number 1. Set realistic expectations. Release yourself from the pressure of achieving the impossible. Understand that nobody is perfect and allow yourself to make mistakes along the way. Tip number 2. Celebrate your progress. Instead of focusing on what went wrong, acknowledge your achievements and how far you've come. Remember, progress is a journey, not a destination. Tip number 3. Practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with kindness and understanding. Stop being so hard on yourself and start embracing your imperfections. Tip number 4. Accept feedback. Constructive criticism is an opportunity for growth. Be open to feedback and use it as a chance to improve, rather than seeing it as a personal attack. Tip number 5. Break the perfectionist cycle. Challenge your perfectionistic tendencies by setting time limits, taking breaks, and prioritizing self-care. Remember, it's okay to step back and recharge. By following these tips, you can overcome perfectionism and embrace a more balanced and fulfilling life. So, let go of perfection and start embracing your imperfections today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on personal growth and self-improvement.